in India, we've never been shy of passion. Cricket may hog most of the limelight, but somewhere deep down, faintly, there is football beating in India's heart. Now, Indian football might not be at a place we're proud of, but talent, we've got that in spades. Let me give you an example. A group of under 14 boys went ahead and won the biggest youth tournament that there is. Now, are we really talking about it? That's the real crime. This is the story of Minerva Punjab. You guys got such a big achievement with these kids. They deserve a bit more of recognition, not only for them, but for Indian football as a whole.
अभी ये बच्चे लोग किस जगह से आते हैं, हम लोग किस जगह से आते हैं, क्या खा रहे हैं, कैसे रह रहे हैं, कैसे इनकी फैमिलीज इनके लिए पैसा जुटा रही है या रंजीत सर जुटा रहे हैं, अभी nobody supports them. But once they'll perform at the highest level, oh my goodness, entire world will be like behind them. भाई आज इंटरव्यू करेगा क्या, भाई आज मैं तेरे लिए स्पॉन्सरशिप ला के देगा, भाई आज तू ये करेगा क्या. It is not about, do not feel bad, but this is the harsh reality. Till now, nobody from, from even the state, forget about the rest of the country, from the state, nobody came and, come and बच्चों को ये तक नहीं बोला होगा, I think कि आप लोगों ने क्या किया, कितना मुश्किल हुआ, कितना आसान हुआ. रिकग्निशन का तो नाम बहुत दूर है. Now it's a time of this social media. So this is a tool which we can use to get highlight. Yes, there was a board outside the stadium, and it was written there that in 1952 Olympics, Indian team came there and they lost 10-0 against Yugoslavia. Yeah, okay. And the day we were in the final, everyone, around the stadium, everyone, especially these Goras, they used to come. Oh, how do you train them? How did you train them? What how you periodize their schedule? What kind of training you used to give them? Oh my God, like what a day it is. Like the foreigners, they're asking us what kind of training you have given them. So the workout these guys have put in was incredible. You cannot imagine. By sitting here in front of the camera, in front of the boys, in front of audience, it is very easy. When it comes to put in the effort, physical effort, then everybody says, मैं नहीं करूँगा, आप मुझे मार दो, मैं नहीं करूँगा. And then we need to manage them mentally that no, Punshi, there's no second chance. You need to go. Azam, come on, get up. You need to do. Raj, come on. You cannot leave it in behind. So these kind of things, like you can ask any one of them. They used to I'm accepting this in front of the camera. They used to abuse us. But this is how it is. When you want to achieve something, you need to accept everything. There's no second chance. There's no second option. You need to fucking put in hard work inside, and then you can get the outcome outside. Simple. What is the motive to interchange the position? Be careful while interchanging the positions. Attacking midfielder या winger के साथ वो player आया है? नहीं आया ना? नहीं आया. Then what?
Because this is how we prepare you. This is because why? Because you guys have worked hard. अब याद रखो क्या ये है मेहनत का फल. मेहनत का फल ये होता है जो सुबह 3:30 बजे तुम उठते थे ना सुबह हर रोज, इसीलिए कि हम हर बार फाइनल पहुंचते हैं और ठोक के पहुंचते हैं. तो यहाँ पता लगना चाहिए सबको कि कोई टीम आई थी और इंडिया से आई थी और सबको ठोक के गई है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है. क्या करना है? ठोकना है.
Build the body and build the mind. This is a saying that's been going on since generation. Now, winning a tournament like Gothia or Dana isn't all about endless hours of trainings, sweating it out, day in, day out. It's about your mind being able to handle it. It's about your body being physically capable of doing that 24/7 before you go to the big stage. And this is what Minerva is doing here, and this is what each and every Indian football club might or might not know is something of vast importance.
If a player if he is a 100% fit for play, okay, he is a good talent player, he has good skills, everything he has, he is 100% fit to play.
Exactly.
So when he is coming to the field, so when he started playing, so in between, obviously they are players, so they will make mistakes.
Of course.
So after making mistake, after that setback, he don't know how to come back. He don't know how to come back from that setback. Okay, so he don't know how to how to control that pressure. So do you think that he can take his full potential of his performance?
Not with a troubled mind, at least. Yeah.
So that is the thing. Obviously, everyone is looking for their physical training. So here, so we are giving all the areas, physical part, mental part, physios, SNC, whatever we needed. So we have a sports science team, entire team to help the players to grow.
जितने दिनों का गोथिया का प्रिपरेशन चल रहा था, टेबल चल रहा था, सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्या था तुम लोग के लिए?
वो सेशंस को लाइक अडेप्ट करना, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी उतना सब कुछ ले नहीं पा रही थी. लाइक सेशंस हम जब पहले करते थे तब हम 2 सेशन करते थे एक दिन में, लेकिन जब वो स्टार्ट हुआ तो फिर अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना, फिर उसके बाद में दोबारा उसके हिसाब से रिकवरी लेना, फिर उसके बाद से 4 सेशंस अ डे करना, वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया था हमारे लिए. फिर उससे स्लीप पूरी नहीं हो रही थी हमारी.
अच्छा.
अराउंड हम रात के 1 बजे ही सो रहे थे और हम 3:30 उठ रहे थे, तो बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा था.
To load them protein as much as possible according to their body needs. We did their individual body composition test and try to meet their needs. It's individual, everything. And not only protein, we conducted their nutritional profiling and blood test, and whatever nutrition is deficient, we try to meet that. That's all.
फेवरेट फुटबॉल टीम क्या है तेरा? रियल मैड्रिड. तेरा? रियल मैड्रिड. तेरा? Santos. बार्सिलोना.
Hala Madrid.
Hala Madrid. Barca.
Real Madrid.
Out of these boys only, one of you will, you'll see them in like coming 2, 3 or 4 years. 101%. I know how much work we as a Minerva core team we are putting in for them. I know. 101% they'll go. You'll see a very soon you'll see a face in European football.
Satisfaction is not like that. I am satisfied with the years is end, but now we know that yes, what we can do. Yeah? And this is the boys, and we have shown that yes, what Indians can do. We should believe, and those who know the football or those who don't know, they should know yes, Indian can achieve. So that winning those tournaments and playing in foreign soils gives that confidence, yes, we can do. So that kind of learning I have learned, and the boys have learned, and each one of us in our country should think positive that yes, we can do. If we want to rise Indian football standard, we need to work like this. Yes, the training hours, the time of amount we spend with these boys. So it's very important for us to see that yes, it's not that yes, we are going and working for only 1 month and going playing tournament. No, they played in the Mina Cup, they won the Mina Cup. It's not that only we just gone to there and it's a fluke. Then we planned yes, how to give the exposure. We went to Sweden, we won the Gothia Cup. Then yes, we planned again, we stopped 1 year, we planned again, yes, make it big, going to other 3 tournaments.
Now we are in the room which is probably the favorite room of everybody in this academy, and frankly it's suddenly become my favorite room. This is the Minerva FC trophy room, and I'm going to show you something that is basically the point of why I'm here. And even while saying it, see, if you can notice, I'm having goosebumps right now. ये एक अलग ही अचीवमेंट है, बट इस अचीवमेंट को सस्ते में नहीं मिलेगा.
Obviously.
क्या प्रेपरेशन वाइज इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिटनेस?
हमारा प्लान ये था स्टार्टिंग में कि हमने अचीव करना है
हमारी मेंटालिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी लाइक आर्मी। हमने सोचा था जहाँ पर भी जाएंगे लाइक ट्रॉफी जीत के आना है हमने। तो इसमें हमारी सर ने काफ़ी हेल्प की। वो भी हमारे साथ आते थे, 3 बजे उठ के आते थे, वर्कआउट्स करते थे, सर भी खुद करते थे और करवाते भी थे। तो मिल के काम किया तो ज़्यादा अच्छा हुआ।
और लाइक आप लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस क्या था कि बच्चों को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है?
मॉर्निंग में सेशंस लेने, इवनिंग में भी सेशंस लेने, उनका रेस्ट टाइम एडजस्ट करना, उनके जो फूड होता है उनको मेंटेन रखना, और किसी को अगर रिकवरी चाहिए होती थी तो उनके सेशंस भी हम अलग लगाते थे। कई बार जिसकी थ्रो काफ़ी अच्छी है तो सर बोलते थे उनका ग्रुप अलग करो और उनकी थ्रो की प्रैक्टिस करो। किसी की स्प्रिंट एंड्योरेंस अलग है, उन सबके अलग अलग इंडिविजुअल सेशंस करवाते थे। किसी का पूल में करवाते थे, किसी ग्राउंड सेशन, किसी की स्पीड का है तो हम सनपिट का यूज़ करते थे। सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था मॉर्निंग में उठ के खुद को ओवर पुश करना, 2-2, 3-3 घंटा ट्रेनिंग करना, फिर अगेन सुबह 2:30 उठना, 3 बजे रिपोर्टिंग, सबको आना पड़ता था, फिर ओवर पुश करना, क्योंकि ये पूरा मंथ चलता था और इसी को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं ताकि आगे आने वाले टाइम में और हमारे पास ट्रॉफीज आए।
But it is about the work. Yes, now the work we did and the result came. Now let the trophy and let the result talk. This is all I want to say.
Guys, let the trophy and the result talk. This is the moment that we all have been waiting for. The whole point why I'm here, the whole point why India should celebrate its football glory. We have the triple glory that Minerva brought to India. We have the Dana Cup, we have the Gothia Cup, and we have the Norway Cup. And to make things even better, we have another Gothia Cup, which was won by the under-13 team of Minerva. And right beside it, we have none other than the Shubroto Cup from 2023. This is what it's all about. This is what Indian football needs. That is representation, recognition, and till this point, this is Minerva doing it all. But what does Indian football need more is for the other football clubs in this country to adopt the same procedure, the same dedication, and the same concentrated hard work to be put from the ground level up. And Minerva's success only screams that that is the way to go forward for Indian football.